Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's April and today I'm going to share with you a pretty decent sized clearance haul that I picked up. Now all of these items were in the clearance section and as of the upload of this video they're still available. Now, I don't know how long they're going to still be there for, so if there's something in here that you see that you want, you might want to hurry up and head over there because I don't know, they could be on there for today, they could be gone tomorrow, or they could be on there for another week. We just don't know. So let's just jump right in and I'll show you what I got. So first we have Scentsy Soak, and this is in pink cotton, and I love everything pink cotton. I love pink cotton wax bars, I love it in the laundry line, and I am excited to try it in the Scentsy Soak. It's a beautiful scent. Okay, next up we have Apricot Vanilla in Scentsy Soak. Now I do have this in body cream, and I have smelled it in the wax form and I love it, so I'm very excited to see how it does in the Scentsy Soak. It's a really pretty, soft, sweet scent, so I'm excited. And next we have Sea Salt Avocado. I love this in wax form. I also have it in hand cream, and now I have it in Scentsy Soak. Now all of these soaks were on sale for $6 in the clearance section, normally $12, so 50% off. I don't know how long they're going to stay on there for, so you've been warned. Okay, now we have a lot of washer whiffs, and yeah, here, I'll show you. I picked up 8 more washer whiffs. I know in another video I hauled, I picked up 2, was it 4? I don't know. It wasn't enough, and so I had to get 8 more. And this is in Fiji Flower. Now, I do not like this in wax, but I love it in the washer whiffs, and I have actually started using it already. Oh, it is so good. I love it. I can actually smell it on my clothes. It's a beautiful, sweet, floral, slightly fruity scent. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to just give it another sniff because I love it so much. Yes. And if you aren't familiar with our washer whiffs, this is what they look like. They look like little salt crystals, and they're scented, and they don't clean your laundry, but they are a fragrance booster. So you just put them in the drum of your dryer, and I'll carefully try to show you the scoop. It comes with the scoop right here. Scoop it up like that. I use 1 full heaping scoop in my laundry. If it's like an extra large load, I'll do a scoop and a half to 2 scoops. But yeah, I love our washer whiffs and I love the scent. So that is Fiji Flower, and these were in the clearance section for $7.20. They're still available, and I believe the normal price is $12, so it's a good deal. And yeah, I picked up 8 of those. I wanted to stock up, and you know, just show you all that I have. 8 of them. And that's it. That's what I hauled. If these are still available in a couple days, I might go back in and get more because I love this scent so much in the whiffs. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.